If you like a clean and organized home screen, but the app's screen button is bothering you, welcome to this tutorial. I will show you an easy way to remove this button from your phone and improve both the look and functionality of your device. No extra icons, just what truly matters to you. If you want to make your phone even simpler to use, keep watching. So, the first thing you need to do is find and open the settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find the home screen option, then tap on it to open. When you're on the home screen settings page, you'll see several options. Look for the option called Show App Screen button on home screen, and then toggle the switch to turn it off. After you turn off this option, exit the settings and go to your home screen. You'll notice that the app screen button is gone, and your home screen is now cleaner and more minimalist. If you want to enable it again, simply go back to settings and turn this option back on. And that's all for this video. I hope you've successfully removed the app screen button and that your home screen looks much better now. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.